Hello everyone, I am Raul Kenti Filipino from Group 4 and today we're gonna discuss about the integration of Slido in education. So first and foremost, let's talk about Slido. So Slido is a ultimate Q&A and live polling platform that creates a conversation between you and your audience. If you want to make your presentation truly exceptional, you have to engage your attendees and Slido does that for you. Polls are a great way to get your participants involved both remote and in person. Whether you want to find out how they feel, collect feedback, or simply to break the ice. With Slido quizzes, you can bring a bit of a fun into your meeting and present information and numbers in a way that's easy to remember. The great thing is that Slido can be used for live, virtual, or even hybrid meetings. To make your life easier, Slido integrates with almost of everything like Google Slides, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Teams. In this video, you will learn how to set up a Slido event, manage audience Q&A, create and use live polls, create and run a quiz, and finally how to display Slido. So, let us begin by learning how to set up an event. To create a new event, click here. You can name your event here, pick the dates, and select your event code. When you are ready, click Schedule Slido and you will be taken to the admin. In the admin mode, you will be able to manage the event's features such as audience Q&A, live polls, or quizzes. To access the settings of the admin mode, click the gear icon here at the top right portion of the screen. Here you can change the look of your event. You can either be green or red or even in space. And set the right privacy. And lastly, explore our integrations. Moving on, if you click participant mode on the left, right here, you will see an access of what your participants see when they join your event. To display the Slido to your audience, click on the present mode button right here. This will show a new screen which will show joining details, submit questions, live polls, and quizzes. To recap, Slido has three modes. Admin mode, where you set up an event and manage its features. Participant mode, which is what your participants see on their devices when they join your event. And lastly, present mode, which is how you display Slido to your audience. Now let us explore Slido's features. Audience Q&A. You can allow your participants here to send their questions relating to the topic that's been discussed. As an admin, you can highlight the question that is being answered by doing this. And it will pop up on the top of present mode. After you're finished with the question, simply mark it as answered. And it will be moved into the archive to make room for the next question. Let us move to live polls now. To create a poll, click the live polls tab in admin mode. Then decide which type of poll is best suited to your needs. You can choose from multiple choice, word cloud, quiz, rating poll, open text, or ranking. After you have selected your poll type, example, I'm gonna choose multiple choice. You can write question here and add options, then save. To make the poll go live for your audience, click play to activate it. You can choose whether or not to display the results, as well as whether to keep the voting open. To spice up your event with a bit of competition, you can create a quiz. Just click Create Poll and choose Quiz. Write your question here. Add at least 2 options for each quiz question. And mark a single or multiple correct answers. And if you need some inspiration, click the magic cube icon here on the right to add a random question. Next, decide whether you'd like to add a timer or display the leaderboard. Then click Save. To get going, first you need to activate the quiz by pressing this. This allows your participants to join. Once everybody is in, click the blue Start Quiz button here. When the participants have answered, you can share the results as well as the correct answers before moving on to the next question. And at the end, you can display the leaderboard and celebrate the winner. Here, the leaderboard. And that's it. Now, let us look at how you can show Slido during virtual meetings or events. Just simply let the participants see the present mode of Slido by clicking here. This will display Slido with joining instructions. Your participants can then scan the QR code with their phones or simply go to slido.com and type in the code to join your event. In Slido present mode, you can find a control panel here on your lower left. From there, you can activate polls or manage questions. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. Today, we have our quiz about the origins of language. To join our quiz, just go to slido.com and enter this code 095976. So, before we start our quiz, let me ask you first, how's your feeling today? Oh, so you are happy and excited. So I know you are excited and ready. So let's start our quiz. The first question is, it is a proposal involving sound. Was nicknamed the Yuheyo theory. A. Divine source. B. Social interactive source. D. Physical adaptation source, or D, the pole-making source. So your answer is social interactive source. And the correct answer is yes, you get the correct answer. The answer is social interactive source. So, let's move on to the second question. It is a theory that proposed the speech developed from the distinctive sound. A. Yuheyo theory. B. Bow Wow theory. C. Popo theory. D. Ding Dong theory. Or A. Lala theory. So your answer is poo-poo theory. And the correct answer is yes, you get the correct answer. The answer is poo-poo theory. So your total score is 2 points and you get the perfect score. Congrats and keep it up. So that's all for quiz today. I hope you enjoy and have fun. Thank you.